These trending Amazon finds are here to make your kitchen smarter, your home more efficient, and your life way easier. From high-tech helpers to clever space savers, these are the must-haves you didn't know you needed. Until now. All product links are in the description. For more deals and live hourly updates, head over to thedetailedguide.com. Let's dive in. Mini Pancake Maker breakfast has never been more fun or faster. This compact waffle maker whips up 9 mini pancakes at once. With adjustable temps and an audible alert, you'll always get that perfect golden crisp. No more batter messes or guessing games. One-touch coffee maker, grounds or pods, doesn't matter. This sleek coffee maker delivers bold flavor in minutes. With one-button brewing, auto shut-off, and whisper-quiet performance, it's your new daily coffee MVP. Perfect for small kitchens or office desks. Smart lock upgrade. Say goodbye to fumbling for keys. This smart lock works with a tap, a code, or even your voice. Installs over your existing deadbolt in minutes. No drilling required. It even auto-locks and sends real-time alerts. Smart, secure, and super convenient. Rolling grill baskets. Flip smarter, not harder. These stainless steel grill baskets let you cook veggies, seafood, or meat perfectly. No more falling through the grates. Just roll them for even char and unbeatable flavor. Multifunctional rice cooker. Enjoy healthier, lower-carb rice with this innovative starch-removing rice cooker. Using a simple two-step process, it boils to release excess starch, then steams to deliver perfectly fluffy results. The automatic stainless steel basket lifts on its own, separating rice from starchy water so you get clean, wholesome rice without any extra effort. Cordless wet and dry cleaner, vacuum, and mop at the same time. Yes, please! This 2-in-1 powerhouse handles dry crumbs and wet spills effortlessly and even cleans its own brush after use. Ideal for pet parents and busy homes. Slow juicer. Get every drop of goodness with this quiet, slow juicer. Its wide chute fits whole fruits and veggies, while its gentle 60 RPM speed preserves nutrients and flavor. Juice smoothies, nut milks, done right. Mini 3-in-1 vacuum. This handheld mini vac is a vacuum, blower, and pump in one. Great for cars, keyboards, and tight spaces. Lightweight, cordless, USB-C rechargeable, and washable filters make cleanup easy. Wire storage basket organizer, digging through pantry chaos. Not anymore. These tiered baskets keep everything visible, fresh, and spill-free. Great for snacks, produce, or pantry staples, and they roll wherever you need them. Portable ultrasonic washer. Skip the sink. This mini washer deep cleans delicates using ultrasonic tech. Just add water and hit the button. It's cordless, compact, and perfect for travel. 4-in-1 sleeper chair. A chair, lounger, recliner, and bed. All in one genius design. The extra large size fits taller folks, the adjustable back gives you 6 angles, and the side pockets hold your stuff. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or guest rooms. Electric water filter pitcher. Get clean, alkaline water at the press of a button. No pouring needed. This filter removes 30+ contaminants, and one charge lasts a whole month. Holds up to 15 cups. Great for home or travel. Smart Air Purifier Table, a coffee table that purifies your air, charges your phone, and lights up the room. Yes, it exists, with smart sensors, 360-degree intake, and voice assistant support. Auto Lift Smart Iron. No more scorched fabric. This smart iron lowers only when you touch it, glides smoothly with a ceramic sole plate, and shuts off on its own. It's like having a personal ironing assistant. Portable spa jets transform your bath into a luxury spa. These dual hydrojets offer massage, bubbles, or both. They stay put with suction cups and set up in seconds. Ultimate home relaxation unlocked. Touchless trash vacuum sweep toward it, and it does the rest. This baseboard vacuum sucks up dirt automatically. No bending, no dustpan, just clean floors fast. Electric back brush, scrub your back without lifting a finger. This wall-mounted brush rotates 360 degrees, auto-adjusts speed, and is totally waterproof. Spa-like clean every time. 5-in-1 multi-grill grill, griddle, panini press, all in one machine. It opens flat, has reversible plates, and even goes in the dishwasher. Breakfast to BBQ covered. Electric lunchbox, hot meals at your desk or in your car. Yes, this lunchbox heats up food on the go, is leak-proof and dishwasher safe. Eat fresh anywhere. 3-in-1 MagSafe charging station. Power your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all at once. With magnetic alignment and built-in safety features, this compact dock is perfect for nightstands or travel. Multi-blade cheese grater. Shred, slice, and grate effortlessly with interchangeable blades. A large chute and built-in drawer make food prep faster and cleanup simpler. Standing broom and dustpan set. No more bending or touching dirty messes. This long-handle set reaches under furniture, traps hair with built-in combs, and folds up for easy storage. Induction Cooktop Dual Burner. Cook faster and smarter with this sleek induction cooktop. With 9 power levels and dual burners, you can simmer, boil, or sear like a pro. It's energy efficient, safe, hello child lock, and easy to clean. Lightweight, portable, and plugs into a regular outlet. Perfect for small kitchens or holiday cooking marathons. Nano cordless electric scissors. Need to open a snack bag without wrecking it? These tiny electric scissors double as a clean-cut opener, are battery-powered, and fit in your bag. Great for the kitchen, picnics, or travel. Keep snacks fresh without the hassle. Air purifier, 1,000 square feet. Breathe easier with this powerful 3-in-1 purifier that removes 99.97% of dust, pollen, pet dander, and odors. Perfect for large rooms. And at night, sleep mode keeps it whisper quiet so you can rest in clean, fresh air. Rechargeable puck lights, no wiring needed. These LED puck lights light up closets, cabinets, and shelves with motion sensing, remote control, adjustable brightness, and 2 color tones. Easy to mount, USB rechargeable, and long-lasting. No more hunting for light switches in the dark. Yogurt maker with multi-jar setup craft. Your own creamy, probiotic-rich yogurt at home. With adjustable temperature and timers, this machine ensures your yogurt is packed with live cultures. Plus, multiple jars mean you can make different flavors in one batch. Gut health never tasted so good. 7-in-1 ice cream and dessert maker. Make ice cream, gelato, sorbet, smoothies, and more with a single touch. Control your ingredients for low sugar, dairy-free, or fully indulgent treats. Add mix-ins and enjoy creamy dessert perfection in minutes. Mini smart projector with Netflix. Turn any wall into a movie theater. This palm-sized projector delivers full HD video, built-in Netflix autofocus and auto keystone correction. Perfect for bedrooms, outdoor movie nights, or cozy binge sessions, no extra gear needed. Smart grain cooker with built-in scale. Cooking rice and grains has never been this smart. It weighs your grains, adds the right amount of water from its tank, and offers 21 presets for quinoa, barley, and more. The touchscreen interface is a breeze, and it even steams veggies while cooking. Socket mount ceiling fan and light. Need a fan but don't want a full install? This ceiling fan screws right into a standard light socket. With remote control, adjustable lighting, ultra-quiet blades, and a foldable design, it's perfect for bedrooms, patios, and even renters. Thanks for watching! Share your thoughts and favorite finds in the comments below. For more product recommendations, don't forget to subscribe.